Hi, this is video how do you have sort odd and even. In this example, we've got the names twice and we don't want them, we just want them once. So what you do is go in column B and click on that. And then you've got to type this in. Equals is odd, open brackets, row, open brackets, close brackets. And then just click below. Then you get false. Now then what you're going to do is click on that so you've got it, it's highlighted around there. And this is a tricky bit. You've just got to grab this bottom corner. If you get it wrong, it will not work. See, it didn't work there. So you've got to just grab, there you go. So we get false true, false true. Now to sort them, what you do is you actually highlight the whole lot. Top left there, you highlight. You click on filter. And down here at the top of B, there's a drop down. So what we do is we take one off, so it's either false or true. Press OK, and then that's it. It's sorted. Now I've gone a bit too fast. Just watch the video again. It's quite simple, and it's very helpful to do that. So if you found that of interest, give it a like, give it a comment. Just switch this off for a second. But if you could do us a favour, we actually have a website with over 1,600 products where you can get up to 70% off. So if you just want to join as a VIP customer, you automatically become a VIP customer if you buy anything. Just log in, have a look around. There's some absolutely amazing products on there. Plus also, what you can actually get is bonus points, extra points. So if you give us a like or share, or if you have questions about the Excel I've done, please feel free to actually sort of I'll drop a question or answer. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hope that helped.